In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add audio to one or all PowerPoint slides. This setup takes just a few moments to complete. To start, open your PowerPoint presentation. This is your first step towards enhancing your slides with audio. Once that's complete, navigate to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. This is where you'll find various options to add new elements to your slides. Next, you'll want to click on Audio. This option allows you to incorporate sound into your presentation, making it more dynamic and engaging. From here, select an audio file from your device. Browse through your files and choose the audio that best fits your presentation. Once you've made your selection, insert it into the slide. This action places the audio file directly onto your slide for playback. With that out of the way, you'll notice that PowerPoint displays an audio icon on the slide. This icon represents the location of your audio file and is what users will interact with during the presentation. Now you can position the icon as needed. Simply click and drag it to your desired location on the slide. This ensures that the icon does not obstruct any important content. Finally, review the audio settings. You can adjust playback options such as starting the audio automatically or on click, and even set it to play across multiple slides if needed. This customization ensures that the audio complements your presentation style. And that's how to add audio to one or all PowerPoint slides. By following these steps, you can enhance your presentation with sound, making it more engaging and informative for your audience.